Hello, my name is Tony and I'm from Thinking Cactus. Today I'm going to show you how to add characters and items to a scene and how to move them. So left click on load from file and I'll pick scene 1 and open. So this is the scene that I made earlier and it is quite big. All we have is a light and the terrain, and yeah, now I'm going to add a character. So when nothing is selected, press space and left click on add char. So this is the add character GUI. You can scroll the middle mouse wheel to navigate, or you can hold down the mouse button, middle mouse button, to navigate as well. Left click on the scroll bar works as well. So I can left click to find more categories, and I'll left click on myself. You can multiple select, of course, but right now I'm just going to add one character. So yep, there's me. I'll press F to make it a focus, and yeah, it's pretty dark right now, so I'll add a light first. So add a spotlight, and yep, I'm just gonna move it in a moment. Then I'll teach you how to move it, lights and stuff. So yeah, there's me, cool, properly lit. And now when nothing is selected, press space again. I'll add an item. And since it's a grass field, I'll select a tree. And currently the tree is on top of the character's head, so I have to move it. Left click on the tree and you see a widget. If you move the mouse over different parts of it, you see highlights which show which parts of the widget that you can control. So if you left click and drag the arrows, you can move the object along either of the three axes, X, Y, or Z. And red is X, green is Y, Z is blue. And if you hold left click and drag on the curve line, you rotate them. Rotate the object around one axis. Yep. And there's also this purple pyramid in the middle is the grabbing tool. I call it the grabbing tool anyway. It lets you move the object around in the 2D space. But the interesting thing is that it will move along the height of the terrain, so which is pretty cool. Yep, so cool. And now that's how you control moving an object with the widget and mouse. Now we'll move on to how to move it with keyboard shortcuts. If you press G, is the grabbing tool. Yeah, it behaves just like if you grab with the purple pyramid. And if you press G followed by X, it moves along the X-axis. G followed by Y moves along the Y-axis. G followed by Z moves along the Z-axis. The rotation is done by pressing R followed by X to rotate along X-axis, and R followed by Y, rotate along Y-axis, and R followed by Z along the Z-axis. So yeah, this is the basics of moving an object. The same thing can be applied for moving your character as well. So yeah, moving. Cool. So here ends the tutorial. So I'll save it. Yep, scene 2 and save. Cool.